Jessica. I'm from Mutungo. I'm part of Sewing Our Future project, which is at Girl Up. This training has helped me to realize my dreams through the skills and the designs I have already learned. I will also go and teach them what I have learned so that they will also benefit.
Hello, I'm called Komusha Innocent. Mazuri started 4 years ago. Since I started, so much has changed in my life. My role is to train young women in tailoring and making clothes and accessories. If I love my job, I like to support young women to achieve greater things in life.